Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting unboxing experience in store for you. Feast your eyes on the sleek and sophisticated Samsung S24 Ultra in titanium black. As we slide open the box, the first thing that catches our attention is the stunning titanium black finish of the Samsung S24 Ultra. The sleek design and premium build quality truly make a statement. Now let's talk about the powerhouse behind those breathtaking shots. The Samsung S24 Ultra boasts an impressive 200-megapixel camera. Yes, you heard it right, 200 megapixels. Get ready to capture every detail with unparalleled clarity. Digging deeper into the box, we unveil the immense storage capacity, a whopping 512 GB of internal storage. Say goodbye to storage concerns. You'll have ample space for all your photos, videos, and apps. Paired with a generous 12 GB of RAM, this device ensures smooth multitasking and lightning-fast performance. The Samsung S24 Ultra doesn't just excel in the camera department, it also features a stunning display. Immerse yourself in the vivid colors and sharp details on the high-quality screen. Every video, photo, and app will come to life. In conclusion, the Samsung S24 Ultra in titanium black is a true flagship device that combines cutting-edge technology with a sophisticated design. With its 200-megapixel camera, ample storage, and powerful performance, this smartphone is set to redefine your mobile experience. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and hands-on experiences with this remarkable device.